Hey everybody, so today I thought I'd make a animal shelter because I really like animals in this game and I thought it'd be cool. So the things that you're gonna need are wooden planks, wooden jungle door, pink glass pane, light blue glass pane, and wooden stair. And also other things, but just for now we're gonna start with that. Okay. So first what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go into fly mode. And okay, so we're gonna try to make it as big as possible. So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna put, I guess, 2 doors right there. Okay, and then I can't do a full let's play of this, so I'm just gonna do a little bit to it and then come back to you guys. So yeah, just because it'll take too long. Okay, so pretty much all that I did was I filled in this wall. I put upside down stair right there. And now when I come back, the walls should be done. Yeah. Okay guys, so I just filled in all the walls. And now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna do a little bit of this on screen because I feel like you just need to see this. Okay, so in the walls it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of course it's not gonna work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So I think I could do like, okay, 1, 2, bloop, 1, 2, bloop, 1, 2. I don't really know. Okay. So what we're gonna do, wood planks.
From Renters Insurance to Rewards Credit Cards, State Farm is here to help life go right.
And I'm gonna make these fairly big, I guess.
Find one in specially marked boxes of Frosted Flakes and other Kellogg cereals, part of a complete breakfast. Despicable Me 3 in theaters June 30th, rated PG.
Like one more. I don't know. I'm trying to think. Okay.
Maybe this guy knows where we are. He's got 5 heads. One stolen formula. Formula 5 superheroes. And like a million ice cream cones.
Maybe we should have picked a better superpower for you, Patrick.
Movie Sponge out of water. 4th of July weekend. On Nick.
Alrighty. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put pink glass pane in those gaps. Actually, get rid of those ones. Don't need those. And then get blue. Light blue, I should say. Boom. And then it's up to you what you want to do. Okay, so it's up to you how many pinks you want and how many blues you want. Okay. Oh, whoops. That one didn't. Okay, because the reason I'm doing colors is because there's gonna be a girl and like a boy. I mean, you can do just like plain glass pane, but I wanted to make it look like, you know, girl, boy. I'm gonna go outside to where I put a bed so I can go to bed, and I'll be back to you guys when it's morning. Okay, so I just put a roof on and put some glowstone in there, and in here because it'll get very dark and I don't want to use torches. Then I'm going to put some animals in here. Be back to you when that happens. Okay, so I put like a little countertop, like if they want to buy the animal, then I put some frames up with a fish and a lasso, and then I put in some animals. I put in a bunny named Lily, a cat named Billy, and a cat named Cammy, and it looks amazing. I can't get out. Okay. I also put like a little gate so I can this person can get in and out. Close the door. And yeah, that's the animal shelter, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah.